Breaking news. Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, Ejiofor, vows to challenge appeal court's ruling preventing IPOB leaders' release. My people, it has not been easy. I'm telling you the truth. Since the appeal court ruled in the favor of Nnamdi Kanu, Fulani has not rested. They said no, Nnamdi Kanu cannot go. AGF Malami not dey sleep again. He just dey waka up and down, make sure say that thing when he carry for mind, when he won't do to Nnamdi Kanu, he go execute him. But if I may ask, what exactly does he want to do? He want to kill him? He want to sentence him to death? Or what? You see, Nigeria is in a serious problem right now. While I just full every region, we dey look for how, make sure say, make all this trouble at least die down. The people when we dey look up to, when we say they supposed to do the neat thing, the right thing, now the same people, they still they put fuel, they join inside fire. How do we say this? Honestly speaking, Nigeria judiciary should not disappoint us, because the way this thing they go like this, AGF Malami be like say don't finally get in way through. That is why he rejected the appeal court ruling in the first place. That was why they now have to transfer those judges so that the ones that will be there, he will be able to have his way through. But the truth remains, since our life is not permanent, the office you are occupying today is not permanent. One day you go leave am, somebody did there before you come, and somebody go still, come after you. So why killing yourself? Or there is something the federal government is not telling Nigerians about this Nnamdi Kanu and them, that they are now taking this matter like serious. All the appeal from the Igbo leaders and some well-meaning Nigeria concerning this Nnamdi Kanu's case, they have refused. The worst part of it is that President Muhammadu Buhari said he's not going to interfere in judiciary processes concerning this Nnamdi Kanu's case. So what is going on today? Is it because the appeal court said he's a free man, that the Nigerian government have no right again, to prosecute him? Is that why they now have to interfere and all that? Well, we are waiting to see what the Supreme Court is going to, do concerning this. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, the counsel to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has vowed to challenge the new order by the Court of Appeal, which granted the Nigerian government application to retain Nnamdi Kanu in detention. Recall that the three-man panel of judges of the Appellate Court on 13th October ruled that Kanu's rendition from Kenya by the Nigerian government was illegal. The judges quashed the government terrorism and treasonable charges against Kanu, discharged and acquitted him, and ordered his immediate and unconditional release from the custody of the Department of State Services. However, the government, through the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, AGF, Abubakar Malami, insisted that Kanu could not be released. The federal government thereafter filed an application for the stay of execution of the appeal court's ruling as it appealed the judgment at the Supreme Court. On Friday, the appellate court made a U-turn and granted the government order that Kanu be retained in DSS custody. Reacting to the reversed order by the appeal court, Ejiofor raised concerns about the circumstances surrounding the reversed ruling, saying they served notice of the case barely 25 minutes before the time slated for the ruling. In a statement, Ejiofor said, application for the stay of execution of the judgment of the Court of Appeal, pending the determination of the appeal filed before the Supreme Court, was today granted by the same Court of Appeal, though presided over by an entirely new panel of justices. In granting the application, the court, however, directed the parties to settle records and transmit the same to the Supreme Court within 7 days to ensure escalated hearing of the appeal. Accelerated hearing of the appeal. Be also informed that we will challenge today's ruling of the Court of Appeal, staying the execution of its judgment after conferring with the lead counsel, Chief Mike Uzekome-San. Without any prejudice to the integrity of the learned justice that delivered this ruling, the fact that hearing notice on such a crucial or sensitive ruling was served on us barely 45 minutes before the time slated for the ruling is pregnant with meaning. Since the appeal court is now to be heard, be assured that we will move with speed, as always, in adopting the most appropriate legal strategy to ensure immediately review of the decision of the Supreme Court and the release of Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I urge you all to remain calm and be rest assured that the ruling of the Court of Appeal today did not interfere in any way with the status of its judgment discharging Onyendo. The judgment of the Court of Appeal discharging Onyendo and striking out the 7 counts charge still subsists. It has not been set aside. He, however, urged their supporters to remain calm as the appeal court stay order did not interfere with his earlier judgment discharging and acquitting Kanu. So guys, I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Thank you.